Welcome to NanoGram, a powerful multi-purpose image generation and editing platform built to make creativity effortless. In this video, I'll walk you through the features of NanoGram, showing you exactly how it works, how you can interact with it, and why it's built to be one of the most versatile tools for creators, designers, and marketers. Let's start with the most basic feature, generating an image from a text prompt. Here, you'll see a clean input box where users can type in any description. The interface is minimal, distraction-free, and focuses entirely on the text you provide. To enhance creativity, we've added an Enhance Prompt feature. This helps refine user prompts by making them more descriptive and detailed so the generated images have more depth and quality. Once you hit Generate, NanoGram creates a single polished image per request. No clutter, no unnecessary extras, just one clean, high-quality result. And if you like it, you can save it instantly with a single click. Next, we have text-based image editing. Let's say you generated an image but want to make changes. Instead of starting from scratch, you can simply describe the edits in plain language. For example, make the background darker or add a glowing effect. NanoGram processes your instructions and updates the image seamlessly. This feature ensures you can refine your ideas quickly without losing progress. Now let's move on to image-to-image editing. Users can upload an existing image and then apply modifications using prompts. This is especially useful for redesigning existing visuals, enhancing product shots, or reimagining photos in different artistic styles. The workflow is smooth. Upload arrow, describe changes, arrow generate, arrow save. Simple, intuitive, and powerful. For more advanced control, NanoGram includes a full canvas editing mode. Here, users can draw directly on the image to mark specific areas they want to modify. The marked areas turn blue, acting as a mask. This tells NanoGram only edit the blue part. For example, if you highlight the sky, you can replace it with a sunset while keeping the rest of the image untouched. This extra mode makes detailed, localized editing straightforward and creative. NanoGram also includes template-based generation. Think of it as a starting point for creating ads, social media graphics, or posters. Instead of beginning from a blank canvas, users can pick a template, type their content, and then customize it with AI-powered image generation. For example, you can design a banner ad in seconds by selecting a style, adding your text, and letting NanoGram generate the background visuals. This feature saves time and bridges the gap between design and automation. Now let's talk about the experience. NanoGram is designed with minimalism in mind, clean layouts, large typography, and smooth animations that make the tool feel alive. We've used modern animation libraries like GSAP and Framer Motion to create delightful transitions. Pages are organized into animated cards, so when you click on a feature, it smoothly expands into a dedicated workspace. The UI is mobile-friendly, fully responsive, and designed for quick navigation. Every interaction feels intentional, whether you're generating, editing, or saving an image. And with the one-click save option, you never waste time managing downloads. Behind NanoGram is a robust tech stack, built with Next.js and TypeScript, styled using TailwindCSS, and enriched with multiple UI libraries like Shadcn, MUI, and Chakra UI. The app balances flexibility with performance. Animations are powered by GSAP and Framer Motion. And at its core, image generation runs on Google's Nano Banana model, providing fast, high-quality results. Deployed on Vercel, the app is fast, secure, and globally accessible. NanoGram isn't just another AI tool. It's a polished, user-friendly platform where creativity meets efficiency. From generating images with prompts to editing with precision, from ad templates to canvas mode, every feature is designed to give creators full control without complexity. Thank you for watching this walkthrough of NanoGram. Start creating today and experience the future of AI-powered image generation.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.